All right, this is the outside of the building. We got some one little centered recess light. These are on time clocks. That and the sign. Still waiting for the face of the sign. It's existing. I think in the future they're gonna try to light up these lanterns. They got to get some new wiring or something. Here's another entrance right here. Nice little street though. They got flags that line the street. Nice and quiet in the mornings. Nice little clock tower up there. Nice, quiet, still a little bit dark out. 74, beautiful out right now too. Everybody enjoy the day. Happy Thursday. Place is really coming together. Some added sconces on the wall that they just did. Got all the pipe matching, all the one holes matching. These two switches here control the sconce lights on each side, and then you can kind of see the upper floodlights. They're centered on those V's or whatever you want to call them, molding. Kind of illuminates, and they got three matching on this side over here. As you can see though, they've painted this place nice and dark. We got some air conditioning units right now. Here's all the thermostats right over here. I was able to run around this crown molding, drop down. Let's see if these come out to like a P-ring or something. This is downstairs, still has some work, waiting on the plumber to do his thing. He's got his boiler going in. I mounted my Taco, haven't got it really done yet though. Lock and bar, they still got to get it up on blocks, a ton of wood. Nothing like a brand new boiler just sitting in the mud. We got coolers wired. They're starting to install equipment. We got condensers, that's for the beer cooler. That's to keep the beer lines cold. They're gonna have a soda machine there. All this equipment down here. You've seen it already. This is existing, this is distribution. I'm leaving that open because I know they're gonna add stuff. Time clock that does outside. I picked up a couple of 1.25 inch existing rigids here down to 2 inch. Couple kicks out of the bottom that went down and did equipment over here.